Rolling. Roll sound. Roll picture. Hey guys, my name is Phil. Welcome to another one of these cool Tool Tuesdays here on the Timbecon YouTube channel. Yes, let's go with that. This week, I'm back again. This time, I'm going to do the Incra precision and T-rule thingy. Precision T-rule. It says 12-inch, but this one is now 300 millimeters because we've caught up to the future, or rather the present. If you still live and work in the United States or, you know, the 1950s, they do make an imperial version of it. When you've got it out of its packaging, you can then use it to very accurately mark a point. If you have a very handy Timbecon everything to get woodworking pencil, you stick it in one of these holes at exactly the length that you need, and you can mark out exactly where you need your mark to be. That was kind of a clunky and awkward sentence, but I kind of liked it anyway. Another handy thing about it is that you can actually use it to mark a line that stays the same length. There'll be a close-up that makes more sense of that. Another convenient thing you can do with this, these two bits here, you can just kind of loosen them off, slide it over so it's flush to the end of the rail. You can then also use this vertically, you know, if you need to find the measurements of something that way. Myself personally, when I go to do the layout and the marking of my drum shells, I use this to first draw the line vertically and then slide it over so that these holes line up on that line, and then I can stick my handy dandy Timbecon pencil into there at the right height, and I can just kind of wiggle back and forth and mark my horizontal line as well. This will do your vertical and horizontal lines very conveniently. Now, it also comes in a shorter 150 millimeter version, which I also use for snare drums, right? That way I don't have to kind of balance it up on a pile of books or blocks of wood or whatever to get clearance for that, you know, for the shallower shells. It's very convenient. For more information on this and every other tool in this shop, every tool you need to know to get wood working, that's a good line. I like that one. I wish I'd written that. Go to timbecon.com.au or check out the links down in the doobly-doo there. Everything you need to know is here, and everything you don't know that you need to know, they know. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, scribe, as the cool kids say out there in YouTubing's land. Whoever the cool kids are, I don't know who they are. I am Phil. I will remain Phil. I will be Phil. And I will probably see you guys either next week or in a couple weeks, or I don't know what's coming up next. See you later. Bye.
He's a first-rate, grade A, #1 nut.